How to fix Xbox sign in error on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Xbox sign in error on any Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, click on it, and now click apps again, and here just scroll all the way down until you find Xbox, click on it, and first just check data usage, check all of those. Maybe you will find mobile data like that, then just enable it. Now go back and click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.